Hey, good morning, my friends. I thought I would hop on after I took my shower and teach you a little bit about some of the oils that you're found in that winter protection kit. Now, this is a kit that they designed for this month in particular, as we are seeing lots of environmental threats going around. We're in the height of the season of people getting ill and being sick and being cooped up in the house. And so this is designed to give you more products to help serve your family so that you can help affect your environment, keep your family healthy, and support your body in a way that it's going to really appreciate and thank. So today I wanted to pop on and really talk to you about some of the products that are in there. And today I'm going to highlight the Manuka Essential Oil. Now you might recognize that essential oil as we talked about that in November. It was offered, it's an exclusive oil that's only found in the Australian and New Zealand markets. You might be familiar with Manuka honey because that comes from the same tree, and the amazing benefits that it has for your immune system, seasonal threats, all those kind of things. We're going to talk a little bit about the chemistry of that and the fact that it's also a cousin to the more famous oil from that region called tea tree oil or melaleuca. And we know that melaleuca is great for skin. Okay, so skin issues, anything from cuts, scrapes, bruises, dandruff, flaky skin, healing from cuts and bruises. So we know that they're cousins. So they're going to have some similar properties, but they have some distinct, unique chemical profiles. So they're going to do some different things that the other one wouldn't do. And so let's talk a little bit about the chemistry of the essential oil. And there are some rare chemical constituents that are in the Manuka oil. Now, I'm going to try to say it, so forgive me if I say it wrong. So there are 3 ketone groups in their chemical structure, and that group is called triketones. And so they have sesquiterpenes, we have E-calamine, and leptoserpitum. Leptoserpitum, I think is how you say. So E-calamine is primarily responsible for that spicy, sweet scent that we have with the essential oils. And that other one, the leptoserptone, I think I'm saying it right. That one actually, studies have shown that it's amazing as a surface cleaner. It really does show that it is going to clean and disinfect. So we love it as a cleaner as well. And then because it has that sweet, spicy smell, it's also going to help us with a relaxing and soothing environment, help with stress, help promote relaxation, all those amazing things that we have with the products. So let's talk a little bit about some of the uses that we can do. It's great to use for meditation and yoga. So if you do that kind of thing in your workouts, then you think about using Manuka oil, diffusing that while you're there, or maybe you just have a stressful day. You have a laundry list of things to do. You put that in the diffuser to help with relaxing and promoting that tranquil environment. Or maybe you're like me, you got kids bouncing off the walls, and that's what you're going to put in the diffuser to calm everybody down. You know, there's lots of ways you can use it in the diffuser. You can also put it in a spray bottle with some water and spray your rooms to help freshen it up. Okay, purify the air, as well as give a nice fragrant to it. You can also spray your counters down and disinfect your counters, your doorknobs, the computer, hey, your phone, like clean your phone off, the steering wheel in your car, things that people are touching a lot that are transferring things. We want to disinfect and keep it nice and clean. You can also, because it's a cousin of that tea tree oil, it has some great skin properties. So add a drop to your unscented lotion, your toner, to help with the skin. Now, in the wintertime when I lived in Denver, it was super, super dry. And oftentimes we'd get cracked and bleeding skin. So Manuka oil is a really, really good oil that you can add to your skin regimen to help with soothing and helping it feel and smooth and look younger and healthier. So you definitely want to consider using the Manuka oil. It's why it's in this kit, not only for its disinfecting and cleaning and purifying properties, but because we know in the wintertime we get those dry skin as well. There are some recent studies that also suggest that Manuka is really good in mouthwashes. And you probably see a lot of advertisements nowadays with using Manuka essential oil in their high-end mouthwashes. It helps and keep that maintained clean mouth and the fresh breath. So you can add 1 to 2 drops of Manuka to your water, and then just swish it around your mouth as a mouth rinse as well. So let's see what other things that I want to do. We already did surfacing. So I do want to talk a little bit about the emotional part of Manuka oil and maybe some of the emotional benefits. Now, for those of you guys that know about our weekly classes, this is one of the books that you can earn. Let's see if I can find the front cover. This is the Emotions in Essential Oils book that you can earn for free. This gives you kind of your next step on understanding essential oils and how they can help your emotions and your physical bodies as well. And so Manuka is the oil of filling up and being upheld. So it is a powerful plant that heals and blesses humanity. It carries a unique energy signature that's going to raise your vibrations so that everybody that comes in contact can feel your energy, your vibrations a little bit higher. It reminds individuals that they're known by the divine. So if you're feeling a little bit alone in this world, feeling like you're not getting out, seeing many people, this is a really good one to make you kind of feel, invites the heart to open up to the gifts and the blessings that are around us in a daily, and reminds us that we live in abundance and we have gratitude and wonder. It also is a powerful in healing up and binding wounds and soothing troubled hearts and nurturing our souls back to centeredness. So that's why we like to use it in yoga and meditation, because it really helps with that one. But Manuka also energetically gives you a safety net, kind of shielding you from the intense problems in the world. And especially when you can't change those problems. So we look at the political scene, and you'll know there's a lot of things we can't change in that. And it gets pretty intense. So using Manuka oil can help us feel a little bit more at peace about what's going on that kind of thing. So again, you can use Manuka oil in all 3 ways. Okay, you can use it just inhaling from the bottle, putting that into the diffuser, putting a couple drops in your hands and smelling it. Emotionally, you can put it over 1 to 3 drops over your heart. You can put it on the crown of your head, on your forehead, and then even along the spine. And then you can also, again, it's great, a couple drops in the spray bottle, mist around your home and on your body. It's going to be really, really helpful. So I hope that you get to know Manuka oil, because I think that it will be a really beneficial oil to have in your oil stash for your family during the winter time. So tomorrow I'm going to hop on and we're going to talk a little bit about copaiba. That's another oil in the winter protection kit, and why we love it so much, right? And why we want to make sure we have that and we're using that oil this time of year. So take care, my friends. Till tomorrow.